Welcome to the Aviator Assistant training series. In this tutorial we're going to go over how to select the different map layers available. Let's begin by bringing your attention to the upper left side of the application. Tap on the layers icon to display the options available to you. Notice a modal has appeared at the bottom of the device. To select a chart or overlay, simply tap on the desired icon. Notice the map has changed to the VFR chart. Tap on the X or tap on the map area above to close the modal. Let's reopen the Charts and Overlays modal. There are 7 different charts and 10 different overlays. Now it is time to add an overlay to the chart we selected earlier. We're going to select air segments. Notice a blue border around the layer to show it is active. You can have a total of 6 overlay selections active at once. As you see here, I have the maximum amount of the layers selected. So watch as I try to activate the internet traffic layer. We are presented with a warning. It tells us that we have to remove a layer in order to enable this one. So I'm going to disable obstacles and then enable internet traffic. And you see now it is displaying internet traffic. To close the map overlays modal, once your selections or deselections are complete, tap the X or tap on the map area above. Thank you for choosing Aviator Assistant. Please direct any questions or comments to support@aviatorassistant.com.